CCTV Camera World is proud to provide support for products purchased from our website. If you purchased your product from another vendor, please contact the vendor you purchased from for further assistance.
In this video, we're going to show you how you can use SmartPSS to view multiple systems or just multiple cameras and set a favorite view. One of the reasons people purchase our systems is that SmartPSS allows you the ability to monitor multiple systems. And you can tab out SmartPSS itself into different tabs where you can bring in cameras into those tabs, and they could be from different systems. This is a different system. This is a different system. They're located in different parts of the country. And the advantage that our software provides is the ability to pull in streams from different places and be able to view them together. The fact that SmartPSS lets you tab out windows, you can have actually 4 tabs. My computer isn't strong enough to support those 4 tabs, but we have another video that shows you how to use our Avalon Premium Series systems as commercial systems. We tab it out into 4 full windows. You can theoretically span this out across different monitors if your computer is strong enough with good graphics cards and a good CPU. But here, the main reason I wanted to make this video was to show you that you can create tabs, bring in cameras from different systems, or you can save those views. So let me show you how to save a view. First, I'm going to close out this because my computer is a tiny laptop here. And now I'm going to save these views. I'm going to bring in another camera from another place. And let's say you wanted to save this for your security guard. So what you could do is hit Save View, and you could name this. I'm going to name it View 1, and you could put in a group. You could create different groups as well. I'm just going to save it as View 1 default group. And do you want to save it to a monitoring plan? I don't have any monitoring plans set up. I'm just doing a default, very simple save view, and press OK. So now the next time I launch SmartPSS and I go under Live View, if I go under Views and go under Default Group, I can basically click on View 1 and it will pull up those views that I saved. This is how you can save different views. So again, you could do this even for 16 cameras if you wanted. So if I go back into my organizations and let's say I bring in different cameras, I could do that and add more cameras and then go and save it again. Now, one of the things is, you saw me before, I was just dragging cameras in. The danger with doing too much of that is you can actually overload your CPU on your laptop. When you're saving a view, it's also saving the stream type. Every camera or NVR we sell has 2 streams built in. You can right-click here on a channel and select substream or mainstream. If you're going to be pulling lots of streams and you don't have a fiber-based connection, you don't have a super-duper computer with 16-core CPUs, you shouldn't just be dragging the cameras in. You should be right-clicking them and then selecting the substream like I did before. This allows you to see here, it says sub here. This is a lower version stream. So if I was to view this in a 9-channel grid, I'm just waiting for it to refresh. It's taking time to refresh because it's trying to pull a lot of data over the network, and it's also taking a lot of CPU usage on my computer. If I hover over here, it says mainstream, and you'll notice that it's using a high data rate, whereas here it says substream and it's using a low data rate. What you want to do is make sure you change all of your stream types to substream so they take the least amount of CPU usage and internet data to pull that stream so your computer can function not only to serve these streams in SmartPSS for you while you're doing other things as well. Making sure that your computer also is able to handle the task of displaying these streams is very important. Sometimes customers set themselves up by buying a very cheap computer and then hoping that they can view 64 cameras on one computer on a laptop that was only worth $600. You can't do that. You have to build a whole desktop computer with a lot of CPU processing power and graphics power to be able to do that. So here I'm going to set up another view, and I'm going to call this View 2 in the default group and hit OK. Now I'm going to close out of the view, go back under Live View, and then go to here and then click on view to, you'll notice now what it did is it's pulling these up automatically in substreams. So what saving the view does is it saves not only your channel name, what device it's from, and also the stream type, if it's mainstream or substream. So hopefully you found this video useful in how to connect to our Avalon Premium Series systems using SmartPSS, and a good idea of how to save streams for yourself or for other members of your team. If you have any additional questions, feel free to contact us at CCTV Camera World using the Contact Us tab. Thank you for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.